in renovation and construction, especially when it comes to water, electricity, air conditioning, fire protection, etc. There are some commonly used professional vocabulary. Let's practice it. 1. Plumbing and electrical systems. Pipes, tubes used to carry water, gas, or other fluids. Example: the pipes in the kitchen need replacement because they're leaking. Wiring, the system of electrical wires that provide power in a building. Example: the wiring in the old house needs to be updated to meet safety standards. Switch, a device used to turn an electrical circuit on or off. Example: we installed a dimmer switch in the living room for adjustable lighting. Socket, outlet, a device for connecting electrical plugs to access electricity. Example: please don't overload a single socket with too many appliances. Circuit breaker, a device that automatically stops the flow of electricity if it becomes overloaded. Example: if there's a power surge, the circuit breaker will automatically shut off the electricity. Distribution box, a box that contains the electrical connections and distributes power throughout the building. Example: the distribution box is located in the basement and controls the entire building's power supply. Water pipe, a pipe specifically for carrying water, often made of PVC or copper. Example: a water pipe burst last night, flooding the basement. Drainpipe, a pipe that removes wastewater from sinks, toilets, or other fixtures. Example: the drain pipe under the sink is clogged and needs cleaning. 2. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC, air conditioner, a device that controls indoor temperature and humidity. Example: the air conditioner is running all day during summer to keep the office cool. HVAC system, a system that provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Example: the HVAC system ensures the entire building stays comfortable year-round. Ductwork, the network of ducts through which air is distributed in a building. Example: the ductwork needs to be cleaned regularly to prevent dust build-up. Exhaust vent, an outlet for air to be expelled from a building. Example: the exhaust vent in the kitchen helps remove smoke and odors. Air filter, a device that cleans the air entering a space by trapping dust and other particles. Example: changing the air filter every 3 months improves indoor air quality. Refrigerant, a chemical used in cooling systems to absorb and release heat. Example: the refrigerant in the air conditioning unit was low, so it needed a refill. Radiator, a device that transfers heat to the surrounding air to warm or cool a space. Example: the radiator keeps the living room warm during winter. Thermostat, a device that regulates and maintains a desired temperature. Example: the thermostat allows you to set the exact temperature you want in each room. 3. Fire safety and prevention. Fire alarm, a device that detects fire and emits a warning sound. Example: the fire alarm went off during the drill, alerting everyone to evacuate. Sprinkler system, an automatic system that sprays water to extinguish fires. Example: the sprinkler system activated immediately when the fire broke out. Fire extinguisher, a handheld device used to put out small fires. Example: there's a fire extinguisher in every hallway for emergencies. Fire door, a specially designed door that prevents the spread of fire. Example: all fire doors must remain closed to prevent the spread of fire. Fire hydrant, a water source used by firefighters to combat fires. Example: the firefighters connected their hose to the fire hydrant to put out the blaze. Smoke detector, a device that detects smoke and sounds an alarm. Example: make sure your smoke detector is working by testing it monthly. Fireproof coating: a material applied to surfaces to make them resistant to fire. Example: we applied a fireproof coating to the steel beams for extra protection. Escape route: a path designated for safe exit during an emergency. Example: the building's escape routes are clearly marked for easy evacuation. Fourth general renovation and construction terms. Ceiling: the upper interior surface of a room. Example: the ceiling was painted white to make the room feel more spacious. Wall paint: paint used to decorate and protect walls. Example: we chose a light blue wall paint for the bedroom to create a calm atmosphere. Tiles: flat, thin pieces of material used to cover floors, walls, or roofs. Example: the bathroom tiles are non-slip for safety. Partition wall: a wall used to divide different areas within a space. Example: a partition wall was added to create a separate office space. Flooring: the material covering the floor of a room. Example: the hardwood flooring gives the living room a warm, natural look. Window frame: the structure that surrounds and supports a window. Example: the window frame was replaced due to water damage. Door frame: the structure that supports and surrounds a door. Example: the new door frame was installed to match the door. Renovation materials: all materials used in construction and remodeling. Example: we need to order more renovation materials before the project can continue. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.